Welcome to another video. Now let's solve this question together. So we are given x raised to log x equals to 100x. Okay, so let's bring this log x down. Okay, so we can only do that by taking log on both sides. So let's take log on both sides. So this side will be x raised to log x, okay, equals log 100x. Okay, so in case we are given log x to the power p, same as p log x. This one is a power rule, the same as log x. Okay, and I will leave it log x, so times log x equals that. Now in case we're given log a plus log b, the same as log a b. So this one is a product. We can say log 100 plus log x. Simple as that. Okay, now if you don't see the base, it's 10. So log 100 to base 10. Now we can solve for this. Okay, we have two ways. You can let a variable be that t, and this 10 raises. That will be 100 equals to 10 to the power t. So we have 10 to the power 2 equals to 10 to the power t. The bases are equal, so my t is 2. Okay, or we can say that log 100 is the same as 10 to the power 2 to base 10. So this power come here, that will be log 2 log 10 to base 10. So the answer is still 2. So this side is 2 plus log x. Okay, so log x times log x will be log x or squared. Okay, now let's solve for the equation. Since we have log x here and log x here, let's take it out. Let t be log x. So let's go back and do substitution. All right, so we have t squared equals to 2 plus log x will be t. So let's arrange. You have t squared minus t minus 2 equals to 0. Okay, now let's solve this quadratic equation. So we have minus t here, so this side will be t squared minus 2t plus t, okay, minus 2 equal to 0. So we have t out, t minus 2 plus 1 out, t minus 2 equal to 0. Continue, we have t minus 2, t plus 1 equals to 0. So we have t minus 2 equal to 0, or t plus 1 equal to 0. So t here is 2 t here minus 1. So we have two answers for t. We have 1, we have minus 1 and 2. So let's go back, okay, and then we solve for log x since t has given us two answers. Okay, so we have case 1, log x is 2. Remember, if you don't see the base, it's 10. So this base will raise this, which will give us x equals to 10 squared, which is 100. Is 100. And also log x base 10 equals negative 1. So we have x equals to 10 to the power minus 1, which is 1 over 10. As simple as that. Now, we have x equals 100 and x equals to 1 over 10. Now, let's verify our answer here. Now, we have x raised to, okay, let's plug in 100. So we have 100, okay, raised to log 100, okay, equals to 100 times 100. So this side will be 100. So log 100, we have log 100 here is 2. So we have 10 to the 100 to the power 2. And we have this side as 10,000, okay, and this side will be 10,000 as well. So hence proved. So we are satisfied with the x equals 100. Now let's check for x equals 1 over 10. So when x equals 1 over 10, so let's check here. So I have 1 over 10 raised to log 1 over 10, okay, equals to 100 times 1 over 10. Okay, let's look at both sides. Now this one is log 1 over 10, okay. So we have log 1 over 10 to base 10. So 1 over 10 can be 10 to the power minus 1. Therefore, negative 1 log 10 to base 10. So the answer is negative 1 for the power. So we have 1 over 10 power minus 1. Okay, so this side too will be this one canceling this, okay. So we have 10. And we can write this 1 over 10 as 10 to the power minus 1 all raised to minus 1 equals 10. So this minus will cancel this. We have 10 equals 10. Hence proved. Therefore, my x is straight away 100 or 1 over 10. That's that.